Thank you very much, Sheesby, for coming and sharing with us again in music, and also the Mbira Queen. We hope you come again next year. And I just want to remind everybody that there's the donation jar up there, so we can help Sheesby with his expenses, and hopefully he'll get some honorarium above his expenses, because we really enjoyed it, the music this evening, and we wish you all the best in your travels for the next few weeks while you're here in the United States. There's lots of food still left.